We spent months in lockdown and no one wants to go back. But our COVID cases aren't where they should be today. Back in March, we had to average 200 cases per 100,000 just to stay in phase 3. Today, we're averaging nearly 700 cases every 2 weeks. Vaccinations aren't moving as fast and hospitals are at a breaking point. Esther Bauer is live tonight with growing concerns on the city's COVID response.
I'm live at City Hall tonight, and while everyone wants to move ahead and stay on the path forward, our current case numbers paint a more concerning picture.
Cases are increasing, and that's discouraging, and it's having an impact on our healthcare system. And I think that's where the real concern is.
A growing concern as cases rise, vaccines level off, and the virus races through Washington, devastating the healthcare system.
All of our providers, whether it's testing or diagnostic or clinical, long-term care, they're all being impacted by the same thing, which is staffing.
Healthcare staff is overworked and dealing with more hospitalizations and COVID cases than we've seen in months. Back in phase 1, when most things were closed, we had to average 350 cases or less every 2 weeks. Today, we're at almost 700. When we spoke to the mayor today, she said vaccinations aren't happening fast enough.
We have work to do in this community when it comes to getting people vaccinated. We're moving the needle very, very slowly, but we need to do a better job.
She says now we may need other mass testing sites too. The health district has asked the state for additional help to open one, but they're not even sure they have the people to open more testing sites.
Right now, resources are pretty tight because one of the components that comes with that freestanding testing site is the resources to operate it.
And when it comes to the governor's office, there's silence there as well.
I'm not hearing anything from the governor's office about more lockdowns right now, but I think there is a fear in the community that that may be what comes next or is coming down the road.
And the mayor says she's moved her focus from mass vaccination sites to local community events. She's hoping to bring more vaccination events to places like Riverfront Park and other areas that draw crowds. Reporting live in Spokane tonight, Esther Bauer, 4 News Now.